Tappy activated. Hello, my crypto fam. Welcome back to our digital corner. Today, we're diving into the world of cyber attacks, the pesky gremlins of the digital world, and how to prevent them. Grab your virtual shields and let's get started. For the beginning, let's see what is a cyber attack. A cyber attack is like a virtual heist where hackers try to gain unauthorized access to your computer networks, devices, or systems. They're the digital villains looking to steal your data, disrupt your operations, or even siphon off your cryptocurrency. Think of it as a glitch in the matrix that we need to fix. Did you know? Cyber attacks in the crypto space have caused significant financial losses, with $1.7 billion stolen in 2023 alone. Although the total value of stolen funds dropped from 2022, the number of attacks increased, meaning we need to stay vigilant. Attacks against decentralized finance protocols, which were formerly the main targets, have decreased. However, victims of various cybercrimes like email phishing have lost millions of dollars. Attention! Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay educated and entertained with TapSwap and me, Tappy. See you after reconnecting. Happy tapping. Tappy deactivated.